The CATS Warrior, a loyal wingman unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV by DRDO HAL, represents a major leap in India's air combat capabilities. Below is an in-depth review of the latest 2025 prototype, design and airframe. Stealth-centric airframe, composite construction, serpentine air intake atop fuselage, chevron nozzles optimized to reduce radar and infrared signatures. Twin-engine layout, powered by two modified PTAE-7 turbojets PTAEW delivering 7 knots total thrust, with FADEC, chevrons, and 1,000 hour TBO. Size and weight, about 9.2 m long, 5.8 m wingspan, MTOW 2.1 to 2.5 t. Avionics and autonomy. Advanced sensor suite, AESA radar, EOIR turret, inertial navigation, internal mission computer from SLRDC. AI-driven autonomy, enables formation flying, threat detection, target engagement, electronic warfare, with optional remote control by a manned mothership. Performance and range. Speed, subsonic, up to Mach 0.85 to 0.9790 km/h. Combat radius, 350 km for return missions, up to 700 to 800 km for sacrificial suicide sortie. Range endurance, 800 to 1,500 km depending on mission profile. Payload and weapons. Internal bay, 3 weapons e.g. 2x DRDO SAAW, external pylons for air-to-air missiles NGCCM, SRAM. Multi-role roles, ISR, seed dead missions, EU jammer, decoy high-risk strikes. Force multiplier tactics, operates in swarms 2 to 4 under mothership control. Milestones and industry context. Aero India 2025, full-size prototype unveiled. January 2025, successful engine ground run marks progress toward first flight in late 2025. Modular future, CATS Max variant planned with HTFE25 turbofan and larger airframe. Strengths. 1. Low-cost scalability, targeting unit cost under 6 to 7 million 5M vastly undercuts manned jets. 2. Pilot safety, undertakes high-risk task scouting, seed, decoying without risking human lives. 3. Indian-made edge, high indigenous content aligns with Make in India goals. 4. Multi-role flexibility, swappable loadouts, swarming, air-to-air, ground strike, EU all-in-one solution. Challenges and limitations. Stealth level, styling is stealthy, but covered finishes and RCS may lag behind global peers, finish quality noted in prototypes. Engine maturity, PTAEW is evolved from a target drone engine adequate but yields lower thrust efficiency than modern turbofans. First flight delay risk, testing during 2025 could face delays, operational deployment likely post-2026. Strategic impact. Force multiplier, enhances TEJs, Su-30 MKI and future AMCA missions through autonomous wing teaming. Global contender, comparable to Boeing SMQ-28 Ghost Bat and Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie, yet cost-effective. Indigenous defense leadership, puts India among a select few nations mastering loyal wingman combat systems. The 2025 CATS Warrior is a groundbreaking step in India's unmanned combat revolution, a stealthy, twin-engine, AI-fueled loyal wingman capable of ISR, seed, strike, and decoy missions. With strong progress in ground testing and a planned maiden flight in late 2025, it's poised to redefine force multipliers for the IAF by merging affordability, autonomy, and mission flexibility. Finish and stealth optimization remain areas to watch, but its indigenous design and scale potential make it a compelling UCAV in global context. Rating out of 5, Category Score Design and Avionics Performance Weapon Load Stealth and Finish Strategic Value. Compass What to watch going forward. Official first flight in late 2025. Operational integration trials with manned aircraft TEJs, AMCA. Evaluation of stealth fleet cost efficiencies. Development of CATS MAX with HTFE-25 engine and greater payload range. The CATS Warrior is an important leap towards autonomous aerial adjutants, heralding a new era where fighter jets aren't alone, they bring warriors.